The High Court has nullified the appointment of a tribunal by President Uhuru Kenyatta to investigate 6 members of the Judicial Service Commission. The court ruled that the JSC is not subject to the control of Parliament. And as Patrick Amimo reports, the 5 judges said the JSC acted within its mandate by instituting a disciplinary action against the former Chief Registrar of the Judiciary, Gladys Boss-Sholay.
The Judicial Service Commission had gone to court to block the tribunal set up by President Uhuru Kenyatta in November last year. The tribunal was to investigate 6 members of the Judicial Service Commission over allegations of impropriety and attempts to block investigations into an 80 million shillings fraud case involving the judiciary. High Court Judge George Odunga issued orders stopping the tribunal from being sworn in until the petition was heard and determined. But the National Assembly defied court orders as the supremacy was raged between the judiciary and legislature. In a ruling lasting 3 hours, the 5 High Court judges delivered their verdict on the Ringera-led tribunal.
Any decision made or action taken in defiance of a lawful court order is null and void.
The resolution of the National Assembly to transmit the petition to the President in defiance of a court order is null and void. We issue an order prohibiting Justice Retired Aaron Kitonga Ringera, Jennifer Shamala, Ambrose Otieno Weda, and Mutua Kilaka from taking oath, assuming office, carrying on, or in any way discharging their mandate as members of the tribunal appointed under Special Gazette Notice number 15094.
What triggered the tribunal's formation was the decision by the Judicial Service Commission to suspend the then Chief Registrar of the Judiciary, Gladys Sholay, on allegations of abuse of office. The National Assembly's Committee on Justice and Legal Affairs summoned the JSC to appear before it after Gladys Sholay argued the JSC was biased.
I would like to just make a brief
The judges here ruled that the National Assembly's Committee on Justice and Legal Affairs is not entitled to supervise the JSC.
We find that in the circumstances of this case, the purported exercise of oversight of the JSC by the National Assembly was improper and constituted a violation of the Constitution.
We declare that the National Assembly, through the Departmental Committee on Justice and Legal Affairs, is not entitled to supervise and sit on appeal on the decisions of the Judicial Service Commission when the Commission is discharging its lawful mandate under the Constitution.
Good evening, everyone. I know it's been a long day.
Last month, Industrial Court Judge Nduma Nderi ordered the JSC to compensate Sholay for removing her from office and procedurally. The court said the JSC should compensate Sholay for wrongful dismissal. The JSC has said it will appeal against the decision. The High Court judges made recommendations on conflict resolution between the 3 arms of government.
We recommend that Parliament considers the establishment of a committee within Parliament dedicated to the oversight of all the independent offices and commissions. The executive, the legislature, and the judiciary should develop a protocol for engagement between the heads of the 3 arms of government to facilitate amicable discussion and resolution of issues of governance.
We have a new constitution that has brought an earth-shaking change in our governance structures. The AG must find the middle ground that enables him to play his constitutional role as the principal legal advisor of the government.
The Judicial Service Commission emerged winners in this petition after the court upheld its independence and ruled that JSC must be allowed to carry out its constitutional mandate without interference from any arm of government. The judges also emphatic that court orders must be respected if you have to inspire public confidence in the rule of law. Patrick Amimo, KTN at the Milimani Law Courts.